This is the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Your vehicle may notify you in the instrument cluster when the key battery is low or dead. First, you must remove the back casing to the key. Start by facing the key up with the chrome button facing up. Press the chrome button down completely and remove the key blade. Press the chrome button down again and slide the black cover down and off. Now that the cover is removed, locate the battery housing on the bottom right side of the key. Remove the battery housing and replace with a fresh battery. Insert the battery housing back into the key. Replace the back cover, and finally, insert the key blade. Thank you for watching.